Okay, so today we're going to be working on this Codewars challenge called trimming a string. And basically what they're doing here is they're giving us a string as the first argument. And if it's longer than the second argument, which is the size argument right here, what they want you to do is to trim the string down to be the size of this argument and return it with the ellipses, with the 3 dots added at the end. The dots do factor into the total length of the string, so we're going to have to account for that when we're trimming the string down. So let's start with that case that's going to cover probably the majority of these strings. So we'll go return string. We're going to use the dot slice method to allow us to trim this string down. We want to start from the beginning, so that's the 0 index, and we want to go up to size -3, and that's simply to account for the ellipses, which we will add at the end right there, the 3 dots. So that should cover most of the strings that will likely get passed into this function. Now we do have a couple of other cases that we need to take a look at down here. So if the string itself is smaller than the number that's passed in for the size right here, then we need to return the string without any trimming. So if string dot length is less than or equal to the size, then we want to simply return the string. Don't need to do anything to it. And then the last case here is if the string length is smaller than or equal to 3 characters, then the length of dots is not added to the string length. So right here, this one, if we have this short string, we don't want to do this size -3, because then we're basically not returning the string at all. We just end up with the dots. So how do we want to do this? We want to go if let's try if the size is less than or equal to 3, then we want to return string.slice from 0 to size plus, let's see, and that does the trick. That passes all the cases. So we considered our kind of edge cases here, and then we took care of slicing, trimming down the string, and adding the dots at the end.